Now, the U.S. Supreme Court just issued a landmark decision upholding a Tennessee law restricting gender-affirming care for transgender minors. Gender-affirming care can include hormone therapy, puberty blockers, and some surgeries. Megan Hartnett, she joins us in studio. So would this have any impact on Ohio?
Jeff, it's too early to say. Ohio is just one of the 26 other states that has some law or policy that limits youth access to gender-affirming care. Some of these policies, including Ohio's House Bill 68, are going through legal battles, and this decision sets a legal precedent for these other cases. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court decided Tennessee's law that bans minor access to gender-affirming care does not violate the 14th Amendment. Ohio's House Bill 68 similarly bans gender-affirming care for transgender youth. The bill has been in and out of Ohio courts. Most recently, the 10th District Court of Appeals ordered a permanent injunction to be entered against the bill. Attorney General Dave Yost says the state plans to appeal this. Following the Supreme Court's decision, Yost released a statement, reading in part, quote, "This is great news not only for the kids, but for the fate of the SAFE Act in the Ohio Supreme Court," end quote. The chief legal officer for the ACLU of Ohio also released a statement, reading in part, quote, "Make no mistake, the ACLU of Ohio's litigation challenging House Bill 68 will proceed," end quote. Lexi Hayman-Staples, the director of Toledo Pride, says she believes the Supreme Court's decision is dangerous for Ohio.
I think that medical professionals and parents should be the ones making medical decisions for their children. That is not a complicated concept to understand.
Hayman-Staples says children not having access to gender-affirming care can lead to bullying and lifelong impacts.
Removing access of medical care for children is dangerous for their adulthood. It's dangerous for their well-being.
She says this decision comes at a time when there are a lot of other bills targeting the LGBTQ+ community throughout the country.
I just think we're on a slippery slope, and it's terrifying to see how many liberties are being removed from marginalized communities.
This decision comes days after the Trump administration has said it is ending specialized suicide prevention services for LGBTQ+ youth on the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Hayman-Staples says there are local resources, including Equality Toledo and the Collective, that people can reach out to. Reporting in studio, Megan Hartnett, WTOL.